Today, guys, we're going to talk about scatterplots. And the three descriptors that we're going to need to use for scatterplots are form, direction, and strength. A couple other things that we might want to say here. We have the scatterplots look something like this. These are just some examples of scatterplots. But the way the graph will be set up, here are the subjects of the study here. We're going to be comparing the number of pets to the number of siblings, see if there's some kind of relationship there. So this is the subject of the study. The variables of interest here, the variables of interest are the X and Y labels or titles. So the number of siblings is a variable of interest. The number of pets is a variable of interest. This is just an example to know what the subjects of the study are and what the variables of interest are. Okay? So here we have form. When we talk about form, there's only two types of forms we're going to really be concerned about, okay? We're going to be concerned about linear form. Linear is a straight line. A straight line. Or non-linear. That means not a straight line. We're actually going to call it maybe a curve. Okay? It'll be a curve, not a line. And then we're looking at direction. We're looking at direction in mathematics. Direction has to do with, well, we're going to call it positive or negative. And basically, the direction of a scatter plot is always positive or always negative if it's linear. If it's nonlinear, that means there's portions of the graph that are positive and portions that are negative. Okay? When we talk about strength here, we're going to have something that's maybe very strong. And then we're going to have something that's moderate. And then we're going to have something that's weak. Okay? And so strong. Strong is whenever you have your line or whenever you have your best fit trend line here, the dots are real close to that line. See how close these dots are to that line? Yeah, I'll put them there on purpose because it's strong. Okay, moderate. Moderate, say we have some kind of line of that's going to be the trend line for the moderate here for this, but here these are further away from that line there, further away, but still relatively close. And then weak, they're just all over the place. Okay, there's no real trend. It's very weak. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's do some descriptions, some describers here of these four scatterplot examples. All right. First one here, this one goes up in a positive direction. So we're going to call that one linear. And also these points are actually pretty close to that best fit line right there. So we're going to call it strong. And then it goes up. Up means positive. Positive. So those are the three things that we're going to describe for this here scatter plot right here. Positive, linear, and strong. Okay? This one right here. This one right here. Notice that they go up and then they come back down. That's called a curve. Okay, so this is gonna be non-linear. Non-linear because it's not a line, it's a curve. Okay? If you take a look here across the deal here, we got A to B and B to C. But from A to B, it increases. So that means it's positive from A to B. But then from B to C here, B to C, it's negative. So, okay, it's positive from A to B, and then negative from B to C. Okay? So it's not, but hey, also look at the points by the line. Pretty strong. Yeah? Pretty strong. Okay, so it's going to be strong. And then I want to take a look at these last two. Like, this right here. This one has negative. That one right there is negative. It's going down. Negative going down. All right, so we got this negative. It's linear because it's always going down. So linear. And you know, these dots are kind of close, but maybe a little far off here. So we're going to call this one moderate. Moderate. And then this last one here, guys, there's no form here. No form at all. No form at all. No form. When there's no form, can there be any direction? I don't think so. So there's no form. There's no direction. There is a strength, however. There is a strength. The strength is what we're going to call the strength weak. Okay? This is very, 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 very weak. And so you can either write those three descriptors here, or you can use this one that's all-encompassing. It's all-encompassing. It's called no correlation. Okay? No correlation. No correlation. Negative. Positive. Nonlinear. Okay? Guys, this is Scatterplots.